I need up to 3 ounces. 3 or 4 is good. We do it one little bit overboard. I'm gonna add some more Reese's peanut butter on top. Yep, that was on the head. I'm money. Hey, Terry, welcome in. Good morning. When you work out this morning, I need to start working out with you. I did super working. Did you start that night? So, let these on can. Did you still have a practice mode? I should have put some cookie dough. Nope, we gotta make that bigger. That's better. Look at that. This is my favorite part. I love the drizzle. I love the drizzle. It's so relaxing. It's so relaxing. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see it. Okay. Now I'm putting some dark chocolate on top. Hey, good morning, because this person loves dark chocolate, apparently. So I'm trying to put more dark chocolate and milk chocolate, or just like a mixture of both. Thank you for joining my team. But like a mixture of both, you guys. But it's just all dark chocolate going on top since this drizzle is milk chocolate. And I'm putting some small ones on top too because I have some small ones too. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Welcome to my room. And we're gonna call this the teaspoon, okay? These has like been my thing. It's gonna be named teaspoon. You know, I love the white chocolate macadamia nut or macadamia. I don't buy it a lot. I haven't posted them either. But people cheap and those nuts are expensive. These are chocolate. They're the chocolate ones. These are good. Let's see these back here. And because the pan is hot, we only go more drizzle, so I'll say that. I like to put on the bottom. The bottom of the cookie stays flat. Don't eat no cookies on the bottom. I'll eat cookies on the bottom if I make a mistake. Can make cookies with the bottom, then I will. Because it's really good, just like different wood. Okay, so I got the cookies. Like I said, these are bigger and better. And I'm gonna put these in the oven. Cookies be the same shape. When they come out looking not the same shape, I just shape them up. Give it a swirl around, and then it will be the same. And it comes slowly all comes in. And we go put some wafers on top of this. It's a drizzle. I made a small one for me though. I made a small one for me. Because I'm on breakfast right now. If anybody knows anything about breakfast, I know it blows you up, right? And I'm gonna these strawberry cookies spread. So I have to shake these up. But the chocolate chip cookies are perfect. Look at those. And we let them sit for a while. Finish cooking. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, Lee. Good morning. How are you? Y'all see those? Yours. See if you like them. Oh, this is white chocolate. I see. My cousin is the red rules. So I'm like, okay, we wait. And then she said she's gonna get back with all the details. So she's on next to my name for me. There you go. Please chocolate. I already got a chocolate door for my son to get. I should make a chocolate cookie. So they're supposed to sit this on top of the chocolate right here. So it'll dry like that. And it's going to keep it from sliding everywhere. And we're going to do the same thing for each one of them. They smell just like together. They're supposed to, right? They smell just like together. But you're supposed to use of it a little bit before 10. So we're going to get these in the box first. It should be a little bit before 10 o'clock. So another banana pudding cookie. Oh my gosh. Forever. I'm gonna say forever. I like to say forever because I started off baking already when I was younger. It's crazy. My cousin brought this up. I'm gonna tell you a little story real quick. So my cousin brought this up because him and his wife had ordered some cookies, right? And when she like, they called whatever, just like what she enjoyed them. And she's like, I ain't know you making cookies. And he's like, Gus, please tell her that you've been doing this since you was a kid. So when I was 7 years old. Then I stopped and I'm done with popcorn, chocolate chip, right? Chocolate chip cookies, and a banana pudding cookie. Here y'all. So these are the cookies we just separated on 5. And some right here. And then that goes to the other cookies. And we have many, so we just go throw in boxes for free. In the bags. Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all later. I'll see you later. That one eats. She's still doing some of it. Yeah, I'm getting the other boxes for the other stuff because these boxes are just not getting along. They close up nice though. They close up real nice. And the, you don't need it. Let's get a whole bunch of that. You absolutely need it. And I don't know where to keep it in the box at. Ready to go outside. Is that? I need to go take this back to the door.